How to fix the blue screen error in Windows 11. So if you're seeing a blue screen with some kind of error message, then I'm going to show you two different ways that we can go and fix this. Now, the very first thing you need to do is load up the recovery screen on your computer. Now, there's a couple of ways that we can get to this screen. The first method is you can just come over to your login screen, which should look something similar to this. In the bottom right hand side, you can go and click on the power icon and you'll see three different options to either sleep, restart, or turn off your computer. What you need to do is hover over the restart option, and then we're going to hold down the left shift key button on our keyboard, and while holding this button down, we're going to select restart. Now you need to keep holding the left shift button down until your computer goes and restarts, and once it's restarted, you should see this blue screen here. Now, another way to get over to this window is you can go and restart your computer, and while your computer's turning on, you can hold down either the F8 key, the F9 key, the F10 key, or also the Shift key. Now, depending on your computer, depends on what button you need to hold down, so you can try all of these while your computer's starting up, and you should end up on this window. Now, from here, go and select Troubleshoot from the list of options, then click on Advanced Options, and then press Startup Repair. And if you have a password set up on the account, you'll also need to enter this. And then we can just wait while this carries out the startup repair on your computer, and that's the first method to go and fix this issue. Now, if that doesn't solve it, another thing you can do is come back over to the recovery screen, and this time we're going to click on Troubleshoot once again, and this time select Reset this PC. Now, you'll have two different options here to either keep your files or to remove everything. So we're going to be selecting Keep My Files, and this will keep all of your personal data. It will only remove any third-party applications. You'll then have an option to either cloud download or local reinstall. We're going to click on local reinstall, and then you can just go through the steps here to reset your computer. Now, once your computer's reset, that should have fixed any blue screen issues you were getting on your computer. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.